Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to help you learn how to use the Excel Ultimate Search program to search for text in multiple Excel files. So here you can see that this is the interface. It is very simple. Here you have a button to select the Excel files. You need to search. For example, I have a list of very big Excel files here. So I select it and select them and click open. You see that they are added here. So if you want to clear the file list to do a new search, just click on this button and you can add other files like so. And the next thing you need to do is to put the text you want to search right here, one per line, of course. So for example, I want to search for entertainment and vacation. And when you are done typing the words into this box, click on Start Searching, and the program will go ahead and search for the text in these files. As you can see, after a few seconds, we have the list of results here. So, for example, I have the word entertainment at row 6,643, sheet 1 at this file, and I can click on this file. So, 643. And sure enough, we see the word entertainment here. Now, if you want to clear the result, simply click here to clear the result. So that is the program is very simple, but it is very powerful. It helps you search through many Excel files for the string very quickly. It is much quicker than open every file yourself and search using your eyes. So thank you for watching, and you can find the download link of the program in the description. I'll see you in the next videos.